How to get housing benefit universal credit. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can get housing benefit universal credit through gov.uk. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. By now you just have to type into the URL bar gov.uk, so you're going to be redirected into this page. By now I'm going to accept the additional cookies, and here in search I'm going to type universal credit. This is going to give us a long variety of articles, but I recommend you to go into the second article, in this case universal credit, or also if you're already interested to sign in to your universal credit account. By now here in this article what you can check is what a universal credit is, the eligibility, what you'll get, and some other steps in order to know more about this universal credit. So you just have to scroll down and to continue to read. Next, here in the eligibility, as I told you, with these steps you have found here. Now in this same page you're going to be able, by now I'm going to go back and I'm going to type housing benefits. Click on search, and this is gonna give us some other articles. So by now I'm going to open the first one because it's gonna be the broad one, and here you have this content: eligibility, what you'll get, supporting your claim and how to claim, and some other steps. By now I recommend you to go into how to claim, because there you're gonna be able to find some mobile numbers or some telephones, or even an address or the calendar they manage in order to call if you're interested for this housing benefit. Okay, and this page is where you're gonna find all the info that you need in order to apply to housing benefit or universal credit. Remember in this case that in housing benefit, the eligibility of housing benefit can help you pay your rent if you're unemployed and a low income or claiming benefits, and it's being replaced by universal credit. Okay, I just wanted to get you aware of this, and this is all. I hope this video was of help for you, and thanks for watching.